Usapang insurance. Ano ba yung mga bagay na kailangan mong malaman bago ka bumili ng life insurance? So in this video, mag-discuss tayo ng 3 basic things na kailangan mong malaman bago ka bumili. So by the way, I'm Cian, providing quick fix to your money problems. So ito na. Number 1 you need to know is ano bang suitable sa needs mo? Traditional ba o VUL? Kasi may iba't ibang purpose ang life insurance eh. So if you're considering getting life insurance for the purpose of estate planning, mortgage redemption insurance, or MRI, hinahanap yan lalo na may assets ka na binabayaran pa. Pwede rin for the purpose of income protection, or for short term, na kukuha ka lang ng insurance for the purpose of lalabas ka ng bansa, may work ka sa ganito. Suitable sa'yo ang mga traditional policies. Pero if you're looking for an insurance na gusto mo covered ka whole life, and you also want to start investing pero wala kang idea pagdating sa investments, bagay naman sa iyo yung VUL. Kasi for me, VUL is not just a product. It's a strategy na pwede mong gawin lalo na gusto mong pumasok sa investing. Tapos wala kang alam. Allow fund managers do that for you. And ma-access mo to with VUL. Number 2 na kailangan mong malaman is magkano ba yung coverage na kailangan mo. We'll make this simple. Rule of thumb, pagdating sa income protection, 5 to 10 times ang annual income. And for critical illness, at least 1 million. Kasi based nga sa report ng PSA, 3 million hindi pa kasya pag tinamaan ng critical illness. Kaya at least 1 million for critical illness. And number 3, magkano ba yung budget mo? I think hindi ko naman na masyadong kailangan i-explain yun. Sa income mo manggagaling yung ipambabayad mo ng premium every month. So dapat kasya siya sa income mo. Kung first insurance mo yan, huwag mong pilitin na malaki kagad yung coverage. Kasi for sure, malaki yung premium niyan. At kung hindi mo kakayanin yung premium, maglalaps lang yung policy. Ngayong may idea ka na, ang gagawin mo na lang is to find someone na mag-a-assess sa yung financial blueprint. And kung wala ka pang mahanap, pwede ka mag-send ng message sa akin. Me and my team is here to help you and add value to you. Yun lang.